Hi nail friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing an ice nail design using dip powders and polygel. So let's get right into the video. Someone asked me how ice nail design could be achieved with dip powders to mimic this design right here. And I did a design last week that I'd link in the cards where I used dip powders only, but today I'll be using dip powders and polygel to do this ice nail design. So y'all will let me know if my design came close to the one pictured, or even if it could pass or fail just like the last one, and let me know which one is better, whether the one that I did last week or this week. So what you saw me doing there was applying my cheraelsymone bond to dehydrate my nails, and if you don't have any bond, you can use acetone or rubbing alcohol. Then I applied 2 layers of clear dip powder to my nails to build the nails and also to protect my natural nails from the color, and that is an optional step. Now I'm using my Model 1's gray dip powder, so I applied base to half of the nail and then poured the dip powder on the nail. I did 3 layers of that. Now in a container, I placed some of the gray dip powder and some of my Revel black dip powder and swirled it together to get a marble effect. Then I placed base on half of the nail and I laid my finger into the marble mixture. This marble wasn't that noticeable on camera because gray and black are like half siblings, so from far they look like they resemble a little, but up close you can see that they don't. Then I encapsulated the marble with 2 layers of Revel clear dip powder. Then I placed some activator on the nail and waited for the nail to harden, then filed the nail to remove any bumps and unevenness of the nail. Now after filing, I placed some base coat on the nail and cured for 30 seconds. Now using my slip solution and my Goshen clear polygel, I place some of the polygel on my nail and then evenly distributed the polygel on the nail. Don't go too far down on the nail, it's only meant for the clear area. Using this plastic wrap, I place it on the polygel, and then I used my cuticle pusher to rough up the polygel so it created indentations in the nail. Then I flash cured the nail for 10 seconds, removed my hand and the plastic wrap as well. Now using this chrome powder that I have, I just rub it into the polygel area. Because of the tacky layer that the polygel has, it will stick to it. I'll leave a link to this chrome powder I got from Amazon. Also, the mistake I made was not using alcohol on the nail bed area to remove the tacky layer on the nail bed area. Some of the chrome attached to that area as well. I didn't mind, but that's something to remember. When I was finished, I just filed off the tacky layer from the nail bed area, and I just placed some base coat and cured so that too much chrome wouldn't stick to that area. Now I encapsulated the nail with polygel to further build the nail. I did 2 layers of that. So I did my first layer and then cured. Then I did a second layer just to build the nail. Now I removed the tacky layer with some alcohol and then I began filing off camera. My pointy nail was getting kind of lopsided while filing, so I decided to do a ballerina shape. I didn't have time for any out of shape nail. So this is what it looks like after filing, and now I apply my Model 1's gel top coat and cured for 30 seconds. Then, when the nail cooled down, I applied my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nail, and this is the finished look. So let me know if you like this video and which ice nail you prefer. Thanks for watching. Click the videos you see on the screen if you'd like to see any more of my videos, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys.